On these units here, if you have the, we've got the DashCam, our front and rear DashCam. Now you can see it coming up under here under high definition recorder app. We do pre-install one on the unit, but if I come into settings here, and then into file manager and USB, you can see it's installed here too. So if you're having extra issues, come here and install this APK. So we'll install this, app not installed, that's fine, because the other one's already installed, but normally you'd be able to install that. And then, sorry, I keep turning it off. And then if we come, so this is talking about a front and rear dash cam. There's an app already installed, HDF recorder. But I was just saying to repeat, if you are having issues, come into file manager here and it'll be listed as a USB. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see an APK file, install that. Then the next thing you can do is, if you already have the app installed, you need to update it, is you want to open the app up, click on here, click on this middle icon, click on device settings, scroll down until you see about app, check what version it is, so 6.22 is the current one, and check for new version. Now, before you check for new version, you have to make sure your unit is hooked to the internet. So a good way to test that is go into apps and just type in a random website, right, in the Google search. And I know the internet's working. So I'm happy the internet's working. We're hooked to the actual Wi-Fi at the office here. So you'll either be hooked to your home Wi-Fi, your phone's actual hotspot, or you'll have a SIM card in the unit. Now, if you are hooking up to Wi-Fi, please make sure you turn off the Bluetooth on your phone before you start the unit. Otherwise, it's going to drop your Wi-Fi actually in and out, and you won't get the internet to work. So you need internet happening, and then you need to come back into here for the dash cam, touch the screen, touch the center app, click on device settings, click on about app, and check for new version. And if there's a new version, it'll actually come up here. Just press OK, and it will just update it.